Lovelies, provided you have a smartphone, you have internet connection, you can use ChatGPT and make some good amount of money on a monthly basis. When I'm talking about good amount of money, always get to know this, that the good amount of money for me might not be the good amount of money for you or for someone else. What matters is one, how much exactly do you want to earn? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how exactly ChatGPT, when we talk about ChatGPT, I'm looking at that sweetheart, I'm looking at that personal administrator, I'm looking about that intelligent personal, I don't want even to call him a personal assistant, because ChatGPT is a woman, is a man that has persistently made us earn money. So if you don't know who ChatGPT is, now I'm even talking about ChatGPT 5. Today is a Sunday, at the comfort of my home, I'm going to do this video. I'll not edit it, but I'm going to post it directly, because I would love you to know that it's not about scratching your head. It's not about being there and have sleepless nights. It's not about buying expensive gadgets or being so smart. It's about knowing the notes and nodes to touch. So, but before this, you guys, disclaimer. This video is purposely for educational purposes. You've heard me, it is for educational purposes. It is maybe entertainment. You put it somewhere, because that I'm giving 10% in this video of what things have the things that have helped me in making money online, and the things that have helped people around. So this ChatGPT 5 is a new version of ChatGPT, but I'll be using AI or ChatGPT there. It can help you, seated like the one I'm seated, make money. You don't need to move. No. Now ask me, how does it do it? But guys, can you first clap or put a heart for our special engagers? We have these people, you guys, who always engage our videos. When we're talking about engaging our videos, it's not that engage, yes, what? It's really practical engaging. Someone watches the video, someone goes and even tries the things we're talking about. And we said this platform brings only things that are workable, the things that you can access at the comfort of your home. You're seated at home, you have a smartphone. These are the things that we bring. Now, let's dive in and see how this ChatGPT can make you earn some good amount of money on a monthly basis. One, I want you to have these requirements. You have to have a smartphone, irrespective of whether it is Android or it is iPhone. It's up to you. Then you have to have access to internet. It has to be connected to internet or data. You have to load data there. Then 3, you have to have idea. When you have idea, you make your personal assistant with ChatGPT very simple and smart for him. Now, do you know why I made this video? I was at work. So when I was at work, there's this certain lady who came. He wanted to design her window back home. But when designing her window, she doesn't know the measurements. Because if you want to put a blind, you want to put curtains, you want to put something, you should know the measurements. But she didn't know. Now I was trying to tell her, you know what, can you call back home? She said, hold on, I'll know what I will do. I have a picture. I say, which picture again? She got this picture, took it to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT that, please, kindly, ChatGPT, can you give me the exact measurements for this window? Put, boom, ChatGPT gave exact with a photo. A second example or a second scenario that I've encountered, still I was at work. So there this lady who wanted to buy, also design something in the kitchen, like in a sink. But then if you come to me, you want to design something under the kitchen, like put dustbin, put some things. Same thing, I'll ask you what is the size. She didn't know. Or not knowing, because I'd already learned from another person, I told her, do you have a photo? She said, yes, I have a photo of my kitchen cabin. I said, bring it. I said, type this and this. She typed, I said, no, I want you to give a specific and proper prompt. She put a photo. Immediately ChatGPT gave it to her. It saved her money, it saved her time, and it saved her everything. Now I come to you. These are two scenarios that are helping people. The ChatGPT is more than an administrator, is more than that intelligent professor that you know. ChatGPT, whether you are learned or you're not learned, provided you know it, you know how to use it, you're going to make money. Now come to think about it. Like the one seated at the comfort of my home, the only thing I can do with ChatGPT, do you know what I did? I put a prompt. I said, ChatGPT, what do you think I can give people about anything to make money while at home on this Sunday? ChatGPT told me how to make money with ChatGPT 5 at the comfort of your home. I said, wow. Me myself, I've been using ChatGPT to make money. How do you use ChatGPT? Provided you have the necessities I've told you and you're connected to internet, go ChatGPT. ChatGPT is you can either use the free one or the premium, the pro. ChatGPT, you can get ideas like the way I got ideas of it, trending ideas. You can use it for content creation. You can use it for writing blogs. This is what I use. You can use it for making your thumbnails. You can use it for making your Facebook post. You can use it making anything. And ChatGPT, above all, you can even use it to start your own business. But let's concentrate now on content creation. It does wonders with content creation. You will go and ask it, do you know ChatGPT? My brain is a bit broad. Right now, I want 5 ideas for the whole week. I'm going to post 5 videos. Give me related ideas in my niche. It will give you. After giving you, you go ahead. It will even ask itself, do you still need me to make for you transcript? You say yes. But if you do for me transcript, now you put the prompt, because it's you who knows what you want. So you tell ChatGPT what you want. Say, now if you give me the scripts, please make sure you give me some statistics. Make sure you give me this and this. You give it what you want to get. So boom, ChatGPT will give you transcripts. After giving you transcripts, sit down. Don't be a mumu that you carry and go and cram all this. No, sit down, read through. Like this one, I had to read through my transcript. I'm sure you can see I'm not reading it anyway, but it gave me a hint and everything. Then I come. After giving you a hint, you come and start giving what you're supposed to give. Now, on giving what you're supposed to give, you go ahead and say, ChatGPT, I need this video text, thumbnail text. ChatGPT will give you, and this one is going to give me. It has already given me. So a thumbnail text that you see here is from ChatGPT. Then from there, you go ahead and say, I need a description. And when you're giving a description, you ask, you tell it, you direct it, I need my description to involve this and this and that. It will give you. From there, you said, you know what? I think I need a comment to pin on my video, because you need to pin a comment on your video. It is very important. When people come, the first impression matters. People will even go and check another person has put a wrong comment. But you, because you know, pinning a comment is it's a plus. You need to put a comment that will bring engagement, that whenever people open, they will see, before even they go to the description, they will see it there. So this is how ChatGPT can do. Now, if you're a person who is fierce like me, you can do 3 videos in a day. When you do 3 videos in a day, that is money. ChatGPT can go ahead and even tell you the trending topics on Facebook, on TikTok, on every part. So if you know the trending topics in your niche, you are going to use them and make money. So do you believe that ChatGPT is more intelligent than all of us? But because we are human beings, we have to direct it. So let's go ahead. Don't scratch your head that you don't have ideas. Let's make money by using ChatGPT. See you in another video.